My name is Rogerio Silva. I come from Portugal. My company is Frulact. I am the executive director at Frulact, in charge of supply chain, IT, and procurement. For the implementation of this project, we deal with difficulties adapting and trying continuously to adapting to traditional MRP algorithms and systems. Implementing a new methodology in a supply chain like ours, it is very important to have the support of a technology. And as soon as we saw for the first time we saw the Air Plus, we felt how easy to use it was, how easy to implement it was. Hence, the great advantage in our case is that it's not intrusive to our ecosystem of other systems. So we can try it in parallel. We see the advantage, we see the results, and then we keep it using or not. And in our case, we are very proud to keep using, and we are very, very happy with the results.